So I did it. I did a thing. I got myself a Christmas present so that I can make it to my RTR and be a little more comfortable. So I'm going to unbox my little Christmas present. Oh, and because my other one, and you'll see what it is in a minute, I bought this to replace an item that I already had that isn't working as well as it should. You'll see what that is in a minute. Merry Christmas to me. I'm excited to open this up and test it out and see how it works. So here is my new Bluetti power station. Let's check it out. Okay, so you're ready to unbox the new Bluetti. Takes me a little while. My hands are not doing too good today. This cold weather got everything hurting. Be really careful. Okay. All right. Let's see. Let's get it out of this box. It's got another box. It's a little heavy. Don't get much bigger than I think this is 600. Can't get any bigger than this, so I won't be able to carry it. But this one will probably live in my van quite a bit. Oh, you're okay. Got the foam out. Got the instructions. This is the Bluetti EB3A. Let's see. Okay, anything? Don't. All right. So this has 600 watts. So my rock pals I've had for about 3 years now, and it's starting to lose charge on its own. So that's an issue. As soon as I plug something in, it starts to just drain the power station. So it'll still be good for cell phones and things for a while, but so here is the new Bluetti. Let's see. So here is the new power station. I'm so excited. So here we have, it has a light. So let's see. And it shows you input. You see that? And it is at 65%, so it's not fully charged. It has it 12 volt, and it has USB. They're both the 3A, which is nice. Here is the 12 volt, and here is, it has the bigger plug, reverse plug. This is for charging this box. There's the input to charge also. There is a circuit controller. Huh, that's different. And there's two standard plugs. Then there's DC. And there's the light. Ooh, it's bright. Flashing. In case I have an emergency. So that is, and it has wireless charging on the top. So I'm excited to try this out. And we're going to I got a new car vacuum for the car. And that's how I found out that my Rock Pals, which usually powers pretty good stuff, as soon as I plugged the 12 volt in, it just started to drain. So we're going to see if it works in here. Okay, so I bought a new vacuum for the car. Just this little thing. And you put the attachment in there. You can vacuum out your car. So we're going to try it out. And it comes with a bunch of other adapters. But I want to try it in the Bluetti to see if I'll be able to vacuum my car. Put that in there. Huh. Doesn't. How much power it takes? 104 watts. You turn it off. So that works. I'm so happy. I gotta charge it to 100%. So there's my vacuum. It's a 600 watt Bluetti. So this is, and I got a really good deal. This was only $219. They had a sale on this particular model. And so I was shopped around. I've been shopping around and researching for a couple of months to see which ones I wanted and the price and get the right price. And I saw this for $219 and I had to grab it. They only had a few left, so this might be, they might be phasing them out. So that is my review on the Bluetti. Awesome, fun, and frugal. If you're just tuning in, I was reviewing this particular power station. And everything seems to work, and it powers my new little vacuum that I got for the van for my trip. So I will be able to keep warm and cook things and everything I need to do on here, because 600 watts is plenty of power for me. So there's my unboxing and review, and I will tell you how it's going when I'm on my trip.